Get a feel for the 2026 Jeep Cherokee L. Enjoy high-end luxury and legendary capability in this exceptional Grand Cherokee L. From its expansive three-row seating to its desirable infotainment suite and top-notch safety scores, this intrepid family adventure vehicle is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, tires performance, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors. Utility meets high-end luxury in this family-oriented Grand Cherokee L. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.